Could you please describe me your neighborhood in Minsk? Who are the people who you lived with?
One of the neighbors was Russian or Belarusian woman, very anti-Semitic. She was like, ooh. She lived in one room. Then in two bigger rooms, so in one room was a Jewish professor with the wife, and they had two daughters, but they were grown up already. So it was like two of the old people, one with the husband and daughter, and one without husband but with daughter. So like 7 or 8 people in these two rooms. In one small room, very little room, also one of my mother's friend, she lost her husband and she was living in a little room, like, I don't know. And the kitchen, and that's all. That's how we lived there. And it was normal.
And how Minsk looked like after the war?
And I have how it looked like. It was all destroyed. See?
Yeah.
This. And it says here, January 15, 45. This my mother wrote probably. All the buildings were like this. Only wooden buildings, some where we lived, a few. But big buildings were destroyed. And this is my mother. That's what they did all the time to try to restore during the summer. And here's during the winter, here's my mother also. That's what they tried to build back. That's what I have.
The city of ruins.
Ruins. All ruins.